Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears halal. The key to making halal gummy bears is replacing traditional gelatin, which often comes from non-halal animal sources, with plant-based alternatives. We'll focus on using ingredients like agar-agar or pectin, which are derived from plants and provide a similar, delightful chewiness. This simple swap ensures your homemade treats comply with halal dietary laws, making them enjoyable for everyone. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for delicious halal gummy bears. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and your chosen halal gelling agent, such as agar-agar powder. For vibrant colors and authentic taste, select 100% fruit juice without added sugars. You might also want to include natural flavorings or food colorings to customize your treats. Now, let's move on to the simple cooking process. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of fruit juice, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and the specified amount of your halal gelling agent, usually around 2 teaspoons of agar-agar. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the gelling agent is completely dissolved. Once smooth, carefully pour the warm liquid into your desired silicone gummy bear molds. Then, chill them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. After chilling, your halal gummy bears will be perfectly set and ready to enjoy. They should be firm enough to easily pop out of their silicone molds. Handle them gently to maintain their fun shapes. For optimal freshness, store your homemade halal gummy bears in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or in the refrigerator for a longer period. Now you have delicious, halal-friendly treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.